You know, when it comes to medical issues, we are very careful when we use the word breakthrough, but tonight there is reason for a lot of hope related to a drug aimed at treating advanced breast cancer.
We first told you about it a few months ago when it was in trials, but the results have been so promising, the trial is now being modified to give more patients access. Here's Beatrice Politi with more.
You can't do a flip? That's all right.
Delaney Jenhunen has a little practice when it comes to bouncing back.
Eventually I found out that I had actually 8 lumps in my breast. It seemed to be so aggressive. They were worried it might be somewhere else already, and sure enough, it was in my liver, and I had 7 spots on my liver.
That was in 2007. This is now.
They can't really detect any cancer in my body right now.
Jenhunen says it's because of a new drug called TDM1. An ongoing study shows the drug works far better than standard treatment.
The patients who received TDM1 not only had cancer that remained under control, but also lived longer. There was roughly a 6-month improvement in the overall survival in patients receiving TDM1 over standard chemotherapy and HER2 agent.
As my hair was falling out, pre-haircut.
When Jenhunen was diagnosed with metastatic HER2-positive stage 4 breast cancer, standard treatment got rid of the cancer, but not without side effects.
Hair loss on my head as well as my eyebrows and eyelashes. And so of course you look like you're sick.
2 years later, despite being on medication, the tumors came back. That's when she decided to join a clinical trial for TDM1 at Toronto's Sunnybrook Health Sciences Centre.
It's been a miracle drug, really.
The drug worked while allowing her to continue to look well and look after her children.
The only side effect that I've had from it is a dry mouth.
Study results earlier this year also showed TDM1 was able to keep cancer under control for longer than the standardized drug without the side effects because the drug targets cancer cells and not healthy tissue.
What happens is that this compound, as a single agent, gets to the cancer cell, and there's precision delivery of chemotherapy right to the cancer cell using Herceptin as a delivery vehicle.
The drug is still in the experimental stage, and you can only access it through a clinical trial. It's administered at the hospital via IV. Doctors are hoping this type of targeted treatment can also be applied to other cancers as well.
But this is stunning.
It is.
She should be alive. She could have been dead by now.
Well, stage 4 breast cancer with all of those locations in her body, it's an incredibly difficult disease to fight. So drugs like this offer a great deal of hope.
Amazing. Thank you, B.
You're welcome.